Well, there's endless possibilities. Doesn't matter where you came from, doesn't matter what your experience is. You can make people think, you can make people cry, you can make people laugh. You can make anything with film. And that's one thing that I love about it. I came here and I found the people that were as passionate about filmmaking as I was. These are the friendships that I'm gonna have for the rest of my life.
This is where you will find your people. If you were that sort of the movie geek, the nerd or whatever, maybe you didn't quite fit in back in high school or wherever you're at, when you come here, you will find a whole bunch of people just like you. Students will make many films while they're here, and the best way to learn how to make a film is to make a film yourself. It's not something you can learn really in books or online. You have to be hands-on and actually do it.
Literally in the first month that we're here, we make a movie.
You come here and you're kind of just like thrown into it, but that's what's so fun about it.
It's awesome.
The pre-production aspect of filmmaking is really, really important. And so we try to prepare students to understand how involved that process is. That involves working with actors, finding the right actors, casting, all manner of paperwork, finding locations, getting insurance, road closures, permissions, safety precautions if you're going to be using fake weapons, all kinds of stuff, as well as appropriate set etiquette, and all of the things you would need to know to work in the actual film industry. And then we do it again, and then we do it again, and then we do it again, and you come out with a lot of films under your belt.
Being on set is amazing.
Everyone comes into it thinking, I want to do this, and then they actually get put on set. And they learn how to gaff, they learn how to grip, they learn how to cam up, and they learn how to do all these other things, and they actually learn what they really love. So I still love to direct, but I also learned that I love to cam up as well.
I think that the best thing that anyone can do when they're in film school is just be in as many sets as possible. The most amount of experience that you get being on set is just gonna make your year and your education that much better.
While students are working on their own films, every student has to work on other films as well in different crew positions. Usually by the time they graduate, they will have worked on anywhere from 15 to 25 different short films, as well as their own. We have about 60 editing workstations for an average of about 70 to 75 students. So we almost have a workstation for every single student here. All of this stuff gets incredibly expensive after you graduate, so we really encourage students to make the most of their 2 years here.
The teachers they're always saying, make stuff by yourself, do practice tests, like the rooms are always open for you.
Once you graduate, you're in the most exclusive club in the universe because you can come back and use all of this stuff for nothing. We've had some of the most successful graduates of any film program in Canada. Trent Opalak went on to be a cinematographer, and he shot the most successful film of all time, Avengers Endgame, as well as Walter Gasparovic, who was an assistant director, and he's worked on Baby Driver and Spotlight and all kinds of Academy Award-winning films.
Having all the names up on the wall definitely does inspire me. It makes me want to work hard. It makes me want to live up to the name that this program has for itself.
It's really, really hard, and it's really, really fun, but it's also incredibly rewarding in all kinds of ways that's almost difficult to express. Someone once asked me, wouldn't you rather be making films? I got something better than that. I'm making filmmakers. Becoming a filmmaker, you can and will make the world a better place.
I believe you can change the world with film.